Okay, just so you know.
Before you do anything, you need to make sure this part is down. Fill this to either 6, 8, or 10 ounces with water just to the top.
Yeah.
Close this. Then you lift this. When you lift this, it allows the water to go down into the heating chamber.
Ah.
The machine only makes 1 cup at a time.
And then
this
how many
is
ounces
called
is...
enthusiasm. I filled this a little bit above the 10. I'm guessing I'm at 12 because that looks like a 12-ounce cup. And amazingly enough, didn't have too much. I mean,
there's not even a drop on there.
That is sheer